In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a link to a card in Trello. Let's make this process as intuitive and straightforward as possible, so follow along and you'll be linking in no time. To get started, head over to your web browser and type in trello.com. This is where you'll access all your Trello boards and cards. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner. If you already have a Trello account, you can log in using your email. Alternatively, you can also use your Google account for convenience. After successfully logging in, navigate to your workspaces by selecting the Boards option from the main menu. This is where all your projects live, organized neatly for easy access. If you're managing multiple workspaces, you'll find them all listed here. Scroll through your workspaces and select the board where you want to attach your link. Once you're inside the correct board, locate the card you need to update. Click on the card to open its detailed view. You're now looking at all its valuable information, and it's here where you'll attach your link. Next, move to the side menu within the card view and find the attachment option. It should be clearly marked, so select it to proceed. A window will pop up prompting you where you can add an attachment from various sources. For our purpose, we'll paste a link. Place your cursor in the provided field and paste the URL you want to attach. This should be the link you want others to easily access directly from the card. While you're here, you might want to provide more context for the link you're attaching. Add a brief description in the space provided to explain what the link is or why it's important. This additional explanation can be incredibly helpful for your team members, especially if they're visiting the card later and might need a refresher about why the link was added in the first place. After ensuring everything looks good, click on the Insert button. This will confirm your attachment and make the link accessible directly from the card. Your URL is now part of your Trello card, living harmoniously among your tasks and notes. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, simply close the menu to return to the main card view. And there you have it. You've successfully attached a link to your Trello card, making your workflow and collaboration more seamless than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.